Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Paige, and today you are going to be joining me in the nesting process. I have been nesting for probably the last month, and these are all the things that we just got from our baby shower with our family and friends. Y'all, they blessed us tremendously, along with a lot of our internet family as well. If y'all missed that, we did do a virtual baby shower a couple months ago, I think, at this point. But pregnancy brain is real, so I really don't remember how long ago it's been. But you can definitely check that out. I'll have it linked down below. So today I'm going to be putting all of the goodies away from the shower, and I'm going to finally wash baby's clothes. So I'm going to jump in and do her newborn stuff and her 0 to 3 month stuff. I'm not washing everything. Only wanted to wash exactly what she would be using so that it can be nice and fresh when she actually gets ready to put it on. And y'all, I have to say ahead of time that her stuff smells absolutely amazing. I wish I could have y'all smell it through the screen, because it smells so good. Can't wait to smell her in the good smelling clothes. But make sure to leave me a comment down below of your must-have baby items. We're coming up on her due date, and I just want to make sure that I got all the things that I could possibly need. So do not forget to leave me that comment down below, and I hope you get some motivation from this video.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we won't do mingle.
So at our shower, we played a game. It was me and Cody, and I do have a baby shower vlog coming up. But we played this game, and we had to blindfold ourselves and see who could put on the diaper correctly. I won, but these are the diapers that they had used in the game. So because the pack was already open, these are newborn size, I just went ahead and put them in this drawer. This will be the drawer that we put whatever diapers that she's currently wearing, using, whatever, will go in that drawer. I don't know if she's going to like this brand or not. Leave me a comment down below. I know this is like a really serious question, but which diapers did your child prefer? I know that me and my brother preferred two totally different ones. So leave me those comments down below. I'm interested in seeing just how different everybody's preferences is.
I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah. You close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good vibe. I want to spend some time back with you. Oh, I got this good on times. You want to spend some time back with me.
All of the sweet cards that we got at our shower, and also the ones that you guys have been sending us to our P.O. box, are going in this cute little box in her closet so that we can keep them all there together. I think it would be really cute to pull those out when she's older and I can read them to her. If you didn't know, our P.O. box information is always down below in the description box in case you want to send us a card.
I'm dreaming of, hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of.
So in no particular order, I have been just putting away her clothes while we got them, because I just didn't want them laying out everywhere. So I have been folding and putting them away, which I guess is kind of like a waste of time, because here I am now taking everything back out. But what I'm doing is I'm going through and picking out all of the newborn and 0 to 3 month, something that I learned just recently. And I don't know if everybody knows this, if this is common knowledge, but I'm going to share it with you, sis, so you don't do the same thing I did. But 3 month size clothes, which I've learned that Carter's is normally those like random sizes. It's not 0 to 3, it's just 3. I was thinking maybe 3 month was 3 to 6. it's actually 0 to 3. So then 6 would be 3 to 6. So I didn't wash any of the 3-month stuff. I set it to the side. That's that pile that keeps getting bigger over there on my leg. So I actually ended up having to wash that a few days after this. So make sure if you're washing 0 to 3 that you also include 3-month, because that's also the same size. I had no idea, but that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. I'm putting all the things in order by the thing that it actually is. So I'm putting all the footy pajamas together, but I'm also organizing them by size so that when I go back to find her bigger sizes, everything is laid out and it's going to be super easy to transition all of her drawers. And you'll notice later on I end up putting nothing but her newborn and her 0 to 3 in this main drawer right here. So to make everything super simple, if my husband has to go in and get her dressed, he knows exactly where everything's going to be. I also plan to do some labels and stuff in there so that'll make it even more easier for us.
You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, I got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love.
In case you didn't know, fall and October are my favorite. And when I seen this little outfit in Target, I knew she had to have it. I have been thinking ever since I found out I was pregnant, what is Shug gonna wear for Halloween? She'll be a couple weeks old if she comes on her due date. She'll be a couple weeks old when Halloween gets here, so I thought that was super cute. That's a newborn size. It's just so adorable. I cannot wait. Cannot wait.
Then the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top.
Because I feel like I'm going to get this question down below in the comments, I figured I would just go ahead and answer it. What exactly did I wash? All the things that I've washed. I've washed 2 different loads of things at this point. I only showed you guys one. But pretty much I washed all of her towels, all of her washcloths, her socks, any little hats, or I didn't really wash any headbands. Comment down below if you washed headbands. If you have a little girl and you have a bunch of headbands, did you wash those too? I didn't wash those. But I also washed pretty much just all of her clothes, her onesies, her footies, her swaddle blankets, all of the things. And then eventually, once we figure out if we're going to do bottles or whatever and which pasties and all the things, then I'll worry about that. But we'll obviously worry about that once she's here so she can make the decision herself.
It's a remedy, 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 drugs and cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, or say bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you
it's not incredibly easy to tell, but your girl is on the struggle bus getting stuff out of this washing machine. I am not a fan of front loaders, never have been, neither is my husband, but when I tell you that a front loader would be everything while pregnant, I mean that, sis. I mean that with every ounce in me. In case I didn't mention it, I also washed bibs and burp cloths and could not stop myself from almost smelling every single thing I pulled out of that hamper because it just smelled so good. If you're wondering what I used the all free and clear detergent, which is not scented at all, but I could not help myself. And don't try to come for me down in the comments saying blah blah blah. I don't want to hear it. But I did buy the Drift scent boosters. I love the Downy Unstoppables and the Gain scent boosters and all those things in our clothes, so I got the Drift ones. And when I tell you that I want to wash every single thing in this house with that combination, I mean it. I mean it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I don't know if I put too much in it because it just smells so good. I didn't realize it was going to smell that good. So yeah, if you want a combination for baby clothes, try those two. They're all free and clear. And the Drift scent boosters. I'll have them both linked down below. They're incredible. I'm telling you, I just want to wash everything now all over again. And I hate laundry, but if it'll smell this good, I might consider it.
Such a decent price, earning my affection. Now there's no way to go back. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance. And I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light. Praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm. Such a messed up.
If you've made it this far, then you are getting a sneak peek of the nursery because this is like the only time I think you guys have seen another side of the room, so you're kind of getting to see what's going on behind me. Nothing much, really, nothing much. But you can see the crib and the cute little tree that I found at Sam's Club. But I will be having a clean and decorate with me with the nursery, go up, and I'm also going to do a nursery tour once it's all finished. But obviously you can expect that clean and decorate with me sooner than you'll get the tour. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. If you see me talking to somebody, you'll see some clips of Cody. We were working on another wall in the nursery that I cannot wait for y'all to see it. So make sure you're subscribed so you do not miss those videos when they go up. You are going to fall slam out because her nursery is going to be adorable.
We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm. Do you miss we used to do. No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all.
In case you're wondering what I'm watching on my iPad, I was watching the new season of The Good Place on Netflix, and I don't know how I feel about this new third season. I liked the first one. The second one was pretty good, but I feel like the third one is just so random. I finished it, but I feel like it was just like a background show that I just had playing while I was getting some stuff done around the house. I don't know. Comment down below if you also watched it and you thought the third season kind of sucked. But I'm all finished with her laundry in her room. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some motivation from this. Obviously, she is so blessed and doesn't need another thing for newborn or 0 to 3 months. But make sure you guys subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see y'all in the next one. Have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.